The delivery of parcels by drones is a topic that has occupied the world of logistics for several years now. The question arises how and whether or not this could work. What projects are there and have there already been? And what is the outlook for the future? All these questions are answered in this video. Welcome to Supply Chain Moments. But first, what is delivery by drone? In general, a drone is defined as an unmanned aerial vehicle that is controlled by human hands or can fly autonomously. In the past, drones were mainly used for military purposes, but they are now being used and tested in a wide variety of areas. For example, in agriculture, the humanitarian sector, or for surveying purposes. However, online retailers and CEP service providers are also increasingly devoting themselves to the topic. Amazon began experimenting with delivery drones back in 2014, and DHL also made its first drone deliveries that same year. 2 years later, Amazon finally completed its first drone delivery. The Österreichische Post started a pilot project in rural areas in 2017, in which 1,000 test flights were carried out. A package weighing 3.5 kilograms could be transported up to 10 kilometers. In 2019, Amazon presented the latest model of its own delivery drone, which can fly up to 12 kilometers and carry a load of 2.3 kilograms. Amazon's plan is to deliver small household items within 30 minutes. It is often very difficult to get the exact performance specifications for delivery drones, as these depend on a wide variety of influences. In order to calculate the flight time, more factors than just dead weight and load are necessary. The interaction of energy supply, motor, payload, and control is just as essential. External conditions such as wind and weather also play a central role, since, unlike in the automotive industry, there is still no standard or a specific test environment. It is still difficult to compare the performance of various drones. With regard to the payload, according to the current status, loads in the range of 1 to 2 kilograms are typical. From 3 kilograms, one begins to speak of heavy loads, and for a total takeoff mass of 5 kilograms, an operating license is required in Germany. The legal regulations are fundamentally major challenges for the producers and operators of delivery drones. For example, crowds of people may not be flown over, and the geographical proximity to airports is also prohibited, which makes delivery in urban areas particularly difficult. In order to be able to operate effectively, the delivery drones would undoubtedly have to fly autonomously, which is not stipulated by law in most countries and is therefore not yet permitted. Official permits are currently only issued on a case-by-case basis. The desired advantages, emission savings, cost advantages, and delivery time reductions can hardly be achieved with the current status, due to the restrictions. Despite the current restrictions and other challenges such as noise pollution and bird protection, leading parcel service providers, startups, and online retailers are still researching options for delivering parcels by drone. In order to make delivery by drone common practice, there are still several hurdles to be overcome in the near future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe by clicking the button below and be sure to turn on notifications. See you in our next video.